Friends, when death touches you, it brings pain. When FBS touches you, it brings solace and compassion.
Death is a part of life. We all die. We must remember that death spares no one. Neither age nor sex is respected by death.
ये घाट तू ये बाट कहीं भूल न जाना, जाने वाले हो सके तो लौट के आना। दे दे के ये आवाज कोई हर घड़ी बुलाए, दे दे के ये आवाज कोई हर घड़ी बुलाए, फिर जाए जो उस पार कभी लौट के न आए। है भेद ये कैसा कोई कुछ तो बताना।
What happened to Mridula's family now?
I mean, kids are so small and husband in this state.
Dr. Dayanand suffered a paralytic attack just last year. Now this.
Yeah, no one can guarantee or assure life.
Very true. That's why when we are alive, we should make an investment or ensure ourselves so that later at least our families will not face any crisis due to any unforeseen circumstances. Anyway, you all come over a tea to my place sometime.
Have you ever thought of securing your life and your family?
Yes, Mom. We have taken a life insurance policy to secure our family as well as us. And every month we are paying hefty amounts on these policies. But I was thinking, Mom, we always think about securing our families. But have we ever thought about others?
What, others?
Like, see, in case of Dr. Mridula, I'm constantly worried about her kids, her family, her husband. What will happen to them?
Why, Dr. Mridula, she used to earn so well. And I'm sure she must have had saved something.
No, Mom. We pretend and show rosy pictures about our life to others. Like you only say, Mom, when income doubles, so the expenses. Dr. Mridula could not save much. Dr. Dayanand had already taken a home loan. On top of it, he got a paralytic attack. So whatever savings they had was utilized in his medication. Dr. Mridula always used to keep smiling and always used to say, "Don't worry."
Dr. Mridula, I think you should be little more careful about the things.
Arey yaar, sun na. We've just got one life. Let's just go and enjoy and chill, yaar.
We can always earn again as long as we are alive.
You're 35 now.
35? It's too early an age to care. Life is a long journey. And my husband is there now. Don't worry, just relax.
But she forgot at times life never gives you a second chance. Once who has gone, did they ever come back to see what's happening with their family and how they're surviving?
Hello, I'm Dr. Maskati speaking.
Hi, Dr. Anandi here.
Anandi, I am extremely sorry to hear about the sad demise of Dr. Mridula. Please convey my sincere condolences to the family. Anandi, there is a scheme called the Family Benefit Scheme meant for families of all AIOS members. Let me enunciate this for you.
Wait, doctor. I'll just put my phone on the loudspeaker. Just wait.
Okay,
Guys.
that's fine. Hello friends, this is Dr. Maskati and I want to tell you a little bit about the family benefit scheme of the AIOS.
This is a mutual help scheme which is run by the members and for the members. In fact, it is a unique scheme whereby your contribution helps to secure the future of others and vice versa.
Almost 3,800 members have already joined. As against that, the death benefit to your family is a staggering 23 lakhs now.
Oh, is it?
And it will continue to grow as more and more members join the scheme. As a matter of fact, actuaries have vetted this scheme and have found that this is superior to any insurance product in the market today. It is extremely easy to join.
How?
You can do it offline or you can do it online by simply logging on to www.fbsaios.in. There is a very small joining fee.
And yes, if you join earlier, your contribution will be lesser.
It is important that you join now before you become age barred.
So friends, please do not wait. Procrastination costs. Procrastination hurts. And procrastination is only for the ignorant. Be informed and be wise. So join up today. AIOS has over 8,000 lady doctors, but only 511 of them have joined the FBS AIOS. Probably most of them feel that it is their husband's duty to secure their family. And in fact, many ladies feel that my income is only the extra income.
Life is a long journey and my husband is there now. Don't worry, just relax.
Unfortunately, friends, this is not true. Believe me, each one of us needs a life cover. Individually, in our own names, and with our chosen nominees.
35? It's too early an age to care. Life is a long journey.
Death is a part of life. We all die. But let her memory bring a smile to your lips, not a tear to your eye.
So what are you waiting for? Join the FBS AIOS today. It is in your interest and in that of your family.
Friends, when death touches you, it brings pain. When FBS touches you, it brings solace and compassion.